What's up? Good morning. Still in Fukuoka. I bought the last, I believe it's 8 pack. There was only 8 left at the convenience store downstairs at the hotel, and I bought the last 8 Samurai Japan Calbee baseball card. So I left the pack on the chips. I slit the top so I can just pull it out. So let's check out what we got. And we're still searching for the Otani. It's kind of dark. Yeah, it's something. Sunrise is at like 7 something. Still dark outside. 6:30 in the morning. You can see all the dew on the window. It's still wet. All right. So let's search for that Otani. Chip 1, pack 1. Can't see. Let's go closer to the light. Hirano. Probably got this yesterday. Fujinami. Oh! Crack ice Fujinami. Nice. Yeah, I got the base Fujinami yesterday. Alright, come on. Miyanishi. Yeah, I got this. Sugano, the ace. Again. Come on, Otani. Let's go. Get this. There you go. Yamada. I got 3 more. Come on. Nomura. Last 2. Norimoto. Hello Moto. Norimoto. Last one. Come on. Come on, last one. Last one. Hirata. Okay. No Otani. But I got that Fujinami auto. Crack ice. Okay. Yeah, I know Narita has more of these. I'll check it out some more when I get to Narita. I think in Fukuoka these were the last packs. I don't think they'll have it anymore. But I'll try again though. Search for that Shohei Otani Samurai Japan card. The saga continues. Thanks for watching. Aloha.